Good evening, tutor and colleagues. I hope you are in very good health. Next, I will start the video with the three consonant symbols, demonstrating their different characteristics for the choose the following symbols. The first symbol is the letter M. Example: make, make. The characteristic that the will theme, the letter N, are very similar to how is the pronounced in Spain. We don't finding that depending on the word in the which in is the use, it was the its accentuation or lettering of the sound. Saying the word make, the sound of the letter N is bilabial nasal, so the sound has its own voice, and they will give two examples of the symbol appearing in the sentence. Example: I can make my dream come true by studying at the university. Make, make. The place and the form or articulation of the song is the two parts and the evidence. Make, make. The place and for where this song is articulated and bearing the letter and in key sim when pronouncing it, each sound is different from how it is written. Second example: the students make a video showing how to make a pizza. Make. Here we can see that the place and form is articulated in the same place and the previous sentence. The second symbol is the letter K. Example: cat, cat. The characters that will fit in the letter cat is similar to one is the pronounced in Spain. Same in English, the letter R was has the same sound to waves is articulated in a plosive one and has no voice. Then we gave two examples of the symbol applied in sentence. Example: Laura's cat likes to play with her new toy. Cat, 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 cat. The place and form of articulation of the sound is only in part evidence. Cat. Here we can see that the place and the form where the sound is articulated is in its their letters since its pronunciation is not how is written but rather with the letter C. Second example: Maria likes to go for a walk in the park with the cat, where we can show that the place and the form articulation is in the same place since is applied at the end of the sentence. The third symbol in the letter if. Example: voice. Example: voice. The characters that the will fill in the letter U are not pronounced the same in Spain, since the herb teeth are the locate of the lower lip and it has no voice. Same in English, the sound change when are articulated by a labiodental affricative. So little they are involved with abbreviation of the vocal cords and if sound is similar of the letter. If below I will give two examples of the symbol applied in sentence. Example: the teacher raises her voice a lot in class because she sometimes speaks very soft. Voice, voice. The place in the front articulation of the sound is the two parts as evidence. Voice. The teacher always has to raise her voice so that the student can hear it the trip symbol in the letter and voice example. Here it is evident that the place and form of articulation of the sound is praised and is amplified in the same place since it is amplified when expressing the action carried on the teacher. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.